cable, we saw a fake break, fake out, which is somewhat rare, but definitely painful for traders. This is probably why uh, experienced traders consider breakouts the most difficult trades to make. Historically, they seem easy, but when you get caught in a fake break, you can be taken to the cleaners pretty quickly. Earlier this week, we highlighted this is cable 4 hour. We came down. This is a resistance. Support area we've been looking at for some time. We had a test, we had a second test, and finally we had this third break, and this is where we highlighted the breakout. At this point, things are looking good for the downside. Sellers had to seem pretty confident that a push down was inevitable. We retested this support zone, which turned into resistance, and continued to see scalping action take place in and around this area. And then all of a sudden, the market, again on news, there's plenty of news going on there. There's too much news to really speak to all of it, but news turns this market on a tide, and then all of a sudden we retest this previous resistance zone, and we saw this resistance zone hold the 58.17. The market fail all the way down to the bottom of the resistance zone, 57.71, and since in the last 4 hours we've gone as high as 58.38. Pretty fascinating move in cable, one definitely difficult to predict. I'm sure plenty of traders were taken to the cleaners on this move, and we will see what next week brings.